What's up guys, welcome to Magic Field, and in today's video I'm going to show you a really cool and really amazing card trick called the Magician versus Gambler card trick. And this card trick is going to be done by my new deck, which is a Platinum deck, which is made by the ES Card Company. I'll leave the link in the description below so that you can buy it, and let's get straight into the performance. Alright, so this is going to be the performance of the Magician versus Gambler card trick, and I hope you liked it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give the deck a little bit of a shuffle right over here. Right, let's just give it a nice shuffle. Say here and here, and again let's keep doing it. And you can tell me stop, and I will stop giving the deck some shuffles. Doesn't really matter at all. Alright, and again, if you want me to give this deck some cuts, let's do that for you. Alright, now once we're done with the shuffle, I have a little bit of a story for you guys. So there was this, you know that the magicians and the gamblers are pretty skilled and really good at handling the deck and getting four of a kind really cool and pretty possibly. And so there was this argument between them that, the gambler said to the magician that if you find the four of a kind while giving the deck some cuts, I'll give you $10,000. So he's like, okay, I'll just show it to you. I'll shuffle the deck up. He's like, okay, let me show you the top card to you, which is going to be the King of Hearts right over here. I'll take that King of Hearts, place it right over here, and I'm going to give the deck some cuts, just like so that we be fair. So I'm just giving it to. He's like, alright, I found the first card. Let me flip the top card again. It's going to be the King of Clubs, and he's like, okay, alright, I'll place it here, and then again give it some cuts. He's like, okay, so let me find the third king, which is going to be the King of Spades right over here, and I'm going to give this deck some cut. Now the gambler was getting pretty nervous that the magician is going to take away all the money from the gambler. So he's like, alright, so flip the top card right over here, and it should be the other king, So he's like, okay, let me just do it. He's like, alright, it's not the king, it's the aces. So the gambler got pretty happy, and he's like, alright, I'm taking my money back, so you lose. And he's like, wait a minute, you told me to find any four of a kind, right? So what if I just snap my fingers and hold my hand over these three kings and actually turn them into the three aces? Alright guys, that was the performance of the trick. I hope you all liked it. And if you want me to make a tutorial for this trick, then comment down in the section below. Subscribe to my channel for new videos just like these, and I'll see you in my next video.